Today we will talk about how to prepare for British citizenship through naturalisation. This is a common path for adults who wish to become British after making the UK their home. Naturalisation is granted by the Home Office if you meet legal requirements. Approval is discretionary, not guaranteed, even when rules are followed. Information shared here is based on Gov.ur UK guidance and is accurate as of late 2025. To apply, you must be at least 18 years old. Children under 18 cannot apply this way but may register through other routes. Most applications fall under Section 6 of the British Nationality Act 1981. The rules change slightly if you are married to a British citizen. The major differences appear in residency duration and waiting time. For applicants not married to a British citizen, at least 5 years of lawful residence in the UK is normally required. You must hold indefinite leave to remain or settled status for 12 months before applying. ILR means there is no time limit on your stay. Settled status under EU settlement scheme counts the same. Absences should not exceed 450 days in 5 years, and no more than 90 days in the final year. If you are married to or in civil partnership with a British citizen, the residency requirement reduces to 3 years. You may apply immediately after ILR without waiting extra time. Total absences should not exceed 270 days in 3 years, with a maximum of 90 days in the last year. You must also be physically present in the UK exactly 3 or 5 years before applying. These rules show connection to UK life. The Home Office will also check good character. This includes criminal records, immigration history, finances, and honesty. Issues like deception or bankruptcy can be considered. A past problem does not always mean refusal. The Home Office reviews everything carefully. Most applicants must pass the Life in the UK test. It contains 24 questions about history, law, culture, and daily life. A 75% score is needed to pass. English language ability at B1 level or higher must also be proven. This can be done with an approved test or a degree taught in English. Some may be exempt from language or life in the UK requirements based on age, health, or nationality. If not applying through marriage, you must intend to make the UK your main home. You can travel or work abroad, but your base should be here. Once prepared, you may apply online. The application is usually completed online on Gov. UK. You must upload documents such as passports, residence proof, ILR confirmation, test certificates, and details of referees. 2 referees are required, 1 professional and 1 British citizen. They cannot be relatives or legal representatives. After submission, you pay the fee and book a biometrics appointment. Processing often takes around 6 months. Additional information may be requested if needed. If approved, you will be invited to attend a citizenship ceremony. It is a meaningful moment for many people. During the ceremony, you make an oath or affirmation to His Majesty the King. You also pledge to respect rights, freedoms, and laws. You receive your naturalisation certificate and officially become a British citizen. You must attend within 3 months. Later, you may apply for a British passport. Citizenship gives rights such as voting in all elections and applying for public roles. You can hold a British passport and access services freely. Dual nationality is allowed by the UK, but check if your country permits it. Preparing well makes the process smoother and more confident. Thank you for watching this naturalisation overview on UK Wayfinder. Gather documents early and follow Gov.ur UK guidance for accurate details. This video is for general information only, not legal advice. Leave your questions in the comments or message on Telegram. Like and subscribe for more updates.